Welcome. In front of me I have Sony wireless speaker extra bass, and today I'll show you how you can connect this speaker to your Android smartphone. So at the first you have to grab your speaker and then you have to simply use this button. So let's click and hold it, and as you can see right now it's turned on. When this indicator is blinking and you hear this characteristic sound, it means that this speaker is turned on. And if you want to pair it to Android's phone, you have to click and hold this button until this indicator starts blinking. As you can see right now it is blinking. So open notification bar, click and hold the Bluetooth icon and simply click to pair new device. And as you can see, when this device pops on the list, the name is SRS XB12. We have to tap on it, click pair, and as you can see right now we are connected. As you can see, it was very easy. I hope that I helped you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.